much is it? Go, knock inside.
Hey, Rufus, my parents are looking for a really great house to buy. What do you got?
Great, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Perfect for your family.
Oh, wow. How much square feet?
It is 2,224 square feet.
Wow, it's big.
Oh, yeah, it's big. How much does it cost?
It's listed for 84,900.
Wow, that's cheap.
Wow, that's cheap.
Wow, look at that. There's 2-story house. Let's go upstairs and see what they have.
Oh, you're better.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, right on. Okay, we start.
How much is this, you said?
It's 84,900.
Wow,
This is cheap.
look at that.
This is cheap for a big house.
Look at the view in here.
And it
I
was
love the view.
yeah, it's a perfect view of all your neighbors. When you get grounded, you can still talk to people.